Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing GATE CSE 2016 question of C programming. First, let's read the question. The following function x to the power y for positive integers x and y means the function is computing x to the power y and we have two positive integers x and y, and they have given us a function which is int expression which takes two arguments x and y, and it's computing x to the power y. And the question is asking us which one of the following condition is true before every iteration of the loop. Means they are asking us the condition which is true always before the iteration of every loop. Okay, so to solve this question, one faster approach is that we should use some examples. Now I will take here some examples. I am considering here that x is 4 and y is 3. Okay, and they are positive integers 4 and 3, and the function is taking int expression int x comma y, result equal to 1. Means we have to here declare res equal to 1 and a equal to x, so I can declare here like equal to x, x is 4 so a is 4, and b is y and y is 3 and so b is 3. Now they're checking while b not equal to 0 means here 3 is not equal to 0, so the condition is true, it will enter the while loop, and now it will check if b percent 2 equal to 0 means here it is checking that if the value of b is divisible by 2 or not. Now we will see 3 percent 2 is not equal to 0 because it gives 1 as remainder, so the if condition is false. Now it will come to else. Result equals to result into a means here the result we are multiplying by a, so here a is 4, so 1 into 4 is 4, so I can write here result equal to 4. Okay, now a now b equal to b minus 1, so the b's value here gets decremented to 2 which is 3 minus 1. So now we have finished one iteration and we are at the starting of second iteration, so now we have to check the conditions. Now the conditions which are given to us are, first let's check the first option which is a. So now check a. X to the power y means here x is 4, here x is 4, and x to the power y means 4 to the power 3, so 4 to the power 3 is equal to a to the power b. A is here is 4 and b is 2, so is it equal to 2 4 square? No, as we know that 4 cube is not equal to 4 square, so this option is false. Okay, now we will come to b option which says result into a means 4 into 4 which is 4 square and is equal to result into x which is 4 square, and here uh, here they are giving b, so 4 square. I think here it was y, so result into a to the power y, so 4 square, and here it is y which is 3, and here it is b which is 2, so is 4 square to the power cube is equal to 4 square to the power square? No, so this option is false. Now we will come to c option. C option says that x to the power y, we know that x is 4, so x to the power y is 4 cube, y is 3, is it equal to result which we know that result is 4, so 4 into a is 4 and b is 2, so is this equal? Yes, as we know that 4 cube is equals to 4 1 plus 2. Okay, and it is equal to 4 cube equals to 4 cube, so true, hence this option is correct. But next analyze the dth option also, which says that x to the power y is equal to res into a to the whole to the power b. X to the power y is 4 cube, and result we have calculated as 4 into a is 4 and b is 2 is 4 cube equal to 2 plus 2, which is 4. So this option is false, as 4 cube is not equal to 4 to the power 4. So the correct option is here is C. It was an MCQ type question and the correct option is C. Thank you friends. If you like this video useful, then you can like, share and also subscribe to my channel to get the regular updates.